Okay, so I said I'd give you guys an update on this Ford. I got the filler work done and whatnot, or better yet, Dan got the filler work done and whatnot. It's all primed up, ready to block and 600 and then paint. So this door's all prepped, ready for a blend. You know, almost all the way done. Looks like he's got a shiny spot there still. So another thing on this, putting a new door on it. Had all kinds of funny caulking on the bottom side that was kind of a pain in the butt to duplicate. See there, it goes from wide beads to skinny to back to wide beads all the way around. And then on the outside it's got a real heavy chip guard that goes on the bottom edge. And I have yet to find a good way to make this edge here look like this, because it's not a sharp line. It's a real, like, kind of fuzzy edge of it. So what I'm gonna try to do this time is I put this 3M foam tape across that edge, and when I paint, or when I shoot the chip guard on there, I'm gonna kind of shoot it down at an angle this way so that it doesn't actually, I'm not actually painting that edge, so it's kind of a shadowed edge, and I'm hoping that'll give me a real similar effect. We'll find out once I do it and see if it turns out good. If you guys have any suggestion on how to make that edge look like a factory finish, please let me know. Leave a comment, something. I'd love to hear about it. So, yeah. Other than that, coming along really well. Thanks for watching, guys. Sure to like and subscribe. Till next time. Bye.